Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and discovering a space, a place where fades away and tranquility surrounds you. Picture yourself relaxing in a beautifully designed outdoor space that feels completely secluded, yet open to the sky, a place where privacy meets luxury and every detail invites you to unwind. Today, we're exploring over 100 inspiring ways to transform your patio into the ultimate private oasis. Creating privacy in your outdoor space doesn't mean sacrificing style or spending a fortune. The most beautiful patio privacy solutions blend functionality with aesthetics, using everything from lush vertical gardens and elegant screening panels to strategic plantings and modern architectural elements. Whether you're drawn to the natural warmth of bamboo screens, the contemporary appeal of laser-cut metal panels, or the romantic charm of climbing vines on decorative lattice, there's a solution that perfectly matches your vision. Modern patio privacy design in 2026 embraces versatility and innovation. Layered screening techniques combine different heights and textures, tall evergreens in the background, ornamental grasses at mid-level, and flowering shrubs in front, creating depth and visual interest while providing complete seclusion. Smart design features like motorized privacy panels, integrated LED lighting, and automated irrigation systems make maintaining your private retreat effortless. Budget-conscious homeowners will discover that luxury doesn't require luxury prices. DIY projects using reclaimed wood pallets, upcycled window frames, and repurposed materials can create stunning privacy solutions that rival high-end installations. Vertical gardens maximize small spaces, turning walls into living art pieces that provide privacy while purifying the air and adding natural beauty. Container gardens with tall ornamental grasses, bamboo, and architectural plants offer flexible, movable privacy that adapts to your changing needs. For those seeking resort-style elegance, consider cabana structures with flowing curtains, decorative pergolas with retractable canopies, or Bali-inspired huts surrounded by tropical plantings. These elements create distinct outdoor rooms within your space, each offering its own atmosphere and level of intimacy. Contemporary designs feature clean lines, minimalist screens in powder-coated metals, and frameless glass panels that provide privacy without blocking views or light. Sustainable privacy solutions are trending strongly, incorporating native plant hedges, living willow fences, edible landscaping, and eco-friendly materials like recycled composite and reclaimed wood. These choices not only create beautiful barriers, but also support local ecosystems and require minimal maintenance. As you explore these ideas, think about your lifestyle and how you want to use your outdoor space. Do you envision intimate morning coffee rituals in a cozy enclosed courtyard? Perhaps elegant evening entertaining in a resort-style setting with multiple privacy zones? Or maybe a peaceful meditation garden completely shielded from the outside world? Which style resonates most with you? The natural organic feel of living green walls, the sleek sophistication of modern metal screens, or the timeless charm of traditional lattice with climbing roses? Would you prefer permanent structural solutions or flexible, movable options that allow you to reconfigure your space? Consider how different materials, colors, and textures will complement your home's architecture and your personal aesthetic. Remember, the best privacy design creates more than just a barrier, it crafts an experience. It's about how the space makes you feel, protected yet connected to nature, secluded yet comfortable, private yet welcoming for guests. If these ideas have inspired you to create your own backyard sanctuary, we'd love to have you as part of our DreamHaven Ideas community. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more transformative outdoor design inspiration delivered regularly to your feed. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the inspiration as we showcase these beautiful patio privacy transformations.